Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hopefully all of you are fine, but very well and enjoying their life. So my dear friends and my dear beautiful viewers, today I can show you the very stylish pop and short leather skirt design in different color and different styles. All of these designs are available in one video, so guys watch this video till the end and get different ideas about your own choices of office wearing and different function wearing, formals, daily work wearings. Leather skirts design, it's a very comfortable and very affordable designs, and hopefully you guys like these types of collection and these type of designs ideas. I always try my best to bring you the beautiful and very useful content design ideas. So friends, choose one of them designs and styles for your own choice and send me that how was the design and how was the skirts are best. Also write your feedback in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share this video for your relatives. So guys, must enjoy my video and subscribe my channel. So my dear, please meet me in the next video on any designs. For more video and more styles, visit my channel and subscribe my channel. If you guys want different designs about different styles, so must visit my channel and watch different ideas about high heels, leather skirts, leather bodycon dresses in different color, in different styles. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this, share this and send your comment in the comment box.